is a story about so many emotions. This is the story about Christmas Eve 2010. And Christmas Eve is the birthday, not of Jesus, but of the devil named Brett Cornish. So Brett came back from a friend's party. He wasn't feeling so hearty, and he came into my home, and I said, let's go out. So he reached into his bag and he pulled out 3 luchador masks. So we said, we're going to the biggest, baddest club in town. So we got up there with a vuvuzela, put on a mask and did a hell of a time. We rocked the motherfucking roof off. We drank all the motherfucking drinks in that place. We slapped girls in the asses and made them cry. It was so much fun. Brett made a girl cry. But then I lost my motherfucking scarf and my vuvuzela broke. Brett came back, he said it's okay. Sometimes it's just so many emotions.